Unraveling the Mystery. Understanding, on the QT. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we are going to delve into a fascinating phrase in the English language, on the QT. You might have come across this expression in books, movies, or even in conversations, and wondered what it truly means. Well, wonder no more. We're here to break it down for you, so you can understand it completely and start using it confidently in your English conversations. So, let's get started. On the QT is an idiomatic expression in English. When something is done on the QT, it means that it is being done secretly or discreetly, without drawing attention. The QT in the phrase stands for quiet, highlighting the secretive nature of the action. This expression is often used when someone is sharing confidential information, or when an activity is being carried out without the knowledge of others. The origins of on the QT are somewhat murky, but it is widely believed to have originated in the 19th century. It is thought to be a part of Old British slang, where QT was an abbreviation for quiet. Over time, this phrase made its way into more mainstream English usage, and it is now understood and used by English speakers around the world. To help you understand how to use on the QT, let's look at a few examples. 1. I heard on the QT that Sarah is planning to resign from her job next month. 2. Here, the speaker is sharing confidential information about Sarah's plans, which are supposed to be secret. 3. They were dating on the QT for months before they decided to make their relationship public. 4. In this sentence, the couple was in a relationship but kept it a secret from others for a period of time. 5. He managed to finish the project on the QT, without the boss ever finding out. 6. The person in this sentence was able to complete a project secretly, without their superior's knowledge. Using on the QT can add a layer of secrecy and intrigue to your conversation. However, it's important to use it in the right context. This phrase is suitable for informal settings and might not be appropriate in formal or professional situations. When using on the QT, ensure that the context involves secrecy or discretion. And that's a wrap on the QT. We hope this video has helped clear up the meaning of this intriguing phrase and shown you how to use it in your own conversations. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding idiomatic expressions like on the QT can really help in making your English communication more effective and natural. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.